Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm in Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and I am thrilled to be at Drone Command Live. Uh, I'm a sports photographer, and I also work for Verizon as tech support. And in my photography, I work for a newspaper and going out on things and events. Every time I've been out there, they've been asking me, it's been issues where they've been asking me, can I do a drone? There have been many situations where I could have used a drone in some of the instances that I've been in. So it's coming to me as the reason that I'm here. Also, my job at the tech company, I'm being laid off. So as the AI that we're talking about is hitting me, so being in the photography business for a long time, um, I'm dealing with the issues here to make more money here with the photography, combining it with the drone business. I'm going to do real estate and start with that first. But just as far as being here with the class, the first day in itself, the information that we've learned about marketing and the two guys that are giving it are just a wealth of information, and I can't be more excited to get out there and do that. So far in our second day, it is still fascinating, the information and just the life lessons in reality. So I would, you know, have anyone, if you're interested, to take this course. It's well worth it the first day, almost the first hour. So I am enjoying it here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I would recommend it for anyone else if they're interested and want to get in on the ground level. Thank you. I'm excited.